I wanna do. I'm glad to see me. I'm tired of me. And he hate me. How do you feel about me? Me born a night and me no born last night. Remember 4 days now me I watch Queenie live. 4 days now me I watch Queenie live. Nurse! I hear Queenie across the whole live and sound of him move and go and lower on her marriage. But when I tell her if you left her husband and fuck her, you know. You can't tell a woman but left her nice man. Eh? Me say Queenie cussing the dog rotten. Eh? The woman said me can't counsel me. I don't want nobody counsel me, love me, I'm a marriage. I stand up in my marriage. I'm firm. I'm strong. I'm a queen. And lick on with a big stone. I say, I don't know how I'm not shame. I'm not ashamed. To how I'm shame. I didn't afraid for shame. Because I'm not ashamed. Jesus Christ. Tommy. Wicked pretty locks. Done me done it there, you know. Done me done it there. The woman told her to come kiss out her Bible. Lick out a big stone, make out a ball. Boy! I feel a weight. Hey! We don't have nothing to do. I see 1,500 people this morning, 6 o'clock on Queenie live. A Queenie are the hottest thing on the internet. All of them they attack off on the mouth. Queenie are the hottest thing, and that's why she goes to. She a queen and she reign. Big up the queen. Anyway, she get big her up. I come talk about the woman for left her man. And the woman for cry and the woman, oh God. See what I see a woman come on and I try to count to Queenie and I tell Queenie dip up under the woman and diss up the woman, you know. But let me tell you something. Of course, me on it make 1,501. Let me not have to over there. Me have to over there. Let me tell you something I don't understand. When Queenie want to get a reaction from Dewey, that's what she go on. Because you don't know how Queenie thing go. Why there are 6,000 people over Queenie life? But, and this me talk to you and tell you now. Dewey, the people them not like you by yourself. Iceberg, the people them not like you by yourself, Dewey. Remember, young Queenie is a team. So you say if you want to go far, I tell you what you have to do. You have to start support Queenie music and you and her be a team. Because anytime you do it by yourself, remember you know, look over your page. Them not like your picture them not like your video them. But anytime the Queen put you up, everything different. So always remember say you and her a team and she make we know you. Right? So without the Queen, you are nothing. You could have DJ about LiQWYD and our girl. We not like that. You and Queenie we like. You understand? So there is no Dewey without Queenie. There is Queenie always by herself, you know. But there is no Dewey without Queenie. We like see when you jump on her back. We like see when time we not play. We like see all of the something them. So anytime the Queen cuss you, we hate you. Anytime the Queen like you, we like you. So your career goes as far as the Queen goes with you. So any day, Queenie decides to say, done, she done it you. We done it you too, you know. Just try remember that here. Any day, Queenie decides to say, this is it. And she not be no more yam for you. You try know. We not deal there, you know. We not deal with you. It's all about you and Queenie. Not do it by himself. We don't never know you. We never know you. We know about June plum, June plum. Anytime you make that blood clot, June plum, they get rotten or overripe or whatever. Gumshang. So, you don't know do we get him look a girl them car. I'm telling you how the girl wicked and stay. Who know they are cuss do it, but I know the girl them stay, hear them. Let me test him and then fuck him. And then come scandal him and make Queenie shame. But Queenie not no shame to watch shame. Try remember that. Queenie not no shame to watch shame. So I just make you know from now. Uno girl where either uno have things to get do it. Cause remember I'm sure a Queenie things, you know. I'm sure a Queenie things and I'm not sure a phone no one. So uno either come go and I think uno hurt Queenie. Uno know uno not hurt Queenie. Uno just a fuck do it. Cause remember Queenie tell us that she give him girl to if him want girl. You understand? Anything him want she give him. So all uno there they hide and I fuck do it. And then I come back at that, but Dewey, him send me money. Dewey send a girl $50, the girl come out and say, him send me $500, $50, Dewey send the girl. Yo, the girl wicked, you know. Only girl wicked, so. Dewey send a girl $50. And the girl come out and say, 500, him send me, have my receipt. And no, nobody can see the receipt. $50 Dewey send the girl. Thief Queenie money and send the girl $50, yo, John was style. Rough, you know, man. Rough. It's rough. You don't start. All wicked so girl. Tell me a lie. Yo, God no. Anyway, we wanna go on with it. Look me, I look down and say, on out and about. She don't want the car, the man she are dealing. And do it, you know, say do it big up the queen. When him a dance with a girl and say one queen, royal crazy. So that's why Queenie come out so strong and a cussing this morning, you know. No can't stay there. 1 week what a cuss, Queenie cuss, you know. 1 week what a cuss, Queenie cuss. And do it just go to and tag her and say, I want to know. Then a wife and husband, the woman marriage. Leave the woman and her marriage. Leave the lady and her marriage. But just I tell you from now, Sarah. And I don't know. A Queenie will say, but to tell Dewey say, anyhow him plan to step away from Queenie, I hit that film. But just I tell you from now, one queen never be about to be in a rat in a sardine. The whole Jamaica ball boy earthquake last night. Hey, someone in the comment, you know. You see someone in the comment, I see on the deal with Queenie wicked, you know. On the deal that woman that wicked, that's why she have a custom and go on, so because she see the comment them and like, she can't read. She see the comment them, you know. Lisa, hold tight. Why we don't know if them show them love different? Them show them love different. I hear this now. I make sure I tell them from now. Someone want a woman mad out for me. I want to know. And go on over me and come cuss on for me when time me and her in an argument and when I say, left Richie. I do it the hot man right now. Because Dewey make Queenie a cuss. And I said, Dewey, give me my car, Dewey, give me my car. Someone want a girl cuss me and say, Richie, give me my car. Give me my key. I'm just text her and say, I want you. You're not get no car. You're not get no car. I want you. And then told me say one queen. I know say a Rapunzel. And go on that crocus bag of thing. See? As someone want a woman to cuss over me. And that me tell you not pay you that girl on social media. You know? I'm telling you. You not been a yam for me. You not been a cocoa for me. You not been a dashing for me. You not been a patty for me. You not been nothing for me. So want to me and somebody. Eh? I just want to know if me and somebody. I just that me want to know. Me and somebody.